In this week's video, we repaired a sharp dent. Let's take a look. What's going on, everybody? I hope you had a great week this week. We had a very busy week as we got hit with a hailstorm, so we are running crazy. We have a really sharp, not too big dent here on the right fender. I will be using heat on this repair as I don't want the paint to crack. The hot air gun is already on and I'm just checking the temperature. I don't want it to get too hot to burn the paint. This is the tool I will be using. It's an R4 soft tip. There is a scratch in the center that is blocking my view. That's why I'm buffing it. Now let's speed things up with twice the speed and get this dent out. Here you can see there is still a little marking left in the paint that's blocking my view. That's why I will sand it and buff it so I can see better. After removing the mark, we can still see the errors that we still have, the lows and the high spots we need to fix. For the final touches, I had to move the camera out of my sight because I couldn't see the dent. Now let's take a look at the final product. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you click the like button and the subscribe button down below, and I will see you on the next one.